Hi, welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal on Friday the 15th of May with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to look at gold, and we had a strong move in the last couple of days, 3 days on gold, and it did see a poke above that key resistance at 12.24.10, but I would argue that we haven't yet seen, certainly not a confirmation breakout, and the fact is that look at the RSI, still around that 60 point, not really being able to break through. MACD line's not really picking up massively. Stochastics are pretty reasonable, but still I wouldn't say that this is broken out yet, and for the reason of the fact that we closed back below for a start. 12.21 was around where the close was, and on the hourly chart you can see here, even on the hourly chart we didn't even get an hourly close above that key resistance. It's at 12.24.10. You didn't even get an hourly close, so just came back in, spiked above it, and then came straight back inside. So I'm not necessarily calling this yet. You've also got a bearish divergence on this hourly RSI with the high, so just be very careful of chasing this one higher in the very near term. You've got your support in place at 12.11.60. That's okay. That's whilst you're trading above that, then the outlook will remain decent. But I wouldn't say that you should be necessarily chasing this one for a breakout, because this range has been in place for almost 3 months, and there is no confirmation of a breakout of the range. And whilst that is the case, you've got to still consider that this is a range play, and you've got to be very careful for if you want if you're going to go long. And well, hopefully that chart will come in anyway. And yes, so just be very careful, and certainly the drift lower that we've seen initially today could well see a test of that initial support at 12.11.60. Currently about $7-8 away from that, but certainly at the moment it is still intact on this range play, and I'm not yet calling it. I'd need to have a lot more confirmation than I've seen, just as on a spike breakout on the hourly chart, and certainly no confirmation on the daily chart as yet. So a lot more needs to be seen for me to get bullish on gold, but it is increasingly positive. Having had 3 bullish candles in a row, you haven't seen that since March. So that's a positive, certainly, but at the moment I'm not getting too excited about this yet. With that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again on Monday. Thank you.